In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete archived emails in Gmail. Archiving takes messages out of your inbox without deleting them, which is great for getting things out of sight. But over time, those archived emails live on in AllMail and can clutter search results and storage. Deleting them periodically is a quick way to tidy up. One important note before we begin. In Gmail, deleted emails go to the trash for 30 days. During that window, you can restore them. After 30 days, Gmail permanently removes them. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser and signing in. At the top of the page, you'll see the search bar. Click into it and type in archive. That's the word in, then a colon, then archive with no spaces. Press enter. Your results will refresh to show only the emails that were previously archived. Now select them. In the top left, above the message list, click the checkbox to select everything on the current page. If you have a lot of archived mail, Gmail will show a small banner that offers to select all conversations that match this search. Click that link so every archived email is included, not just the first page. With your messages selected, look along the row of icons and click the trash can. Gmail immediately moves the selected archived emails to the trash. You'll usually see a brief undo pop up at the bottom. Use that right away if you didn't intend to delete something. Attachments are part of the messages, so when you delete an email, its files go with it. If you notice you've removed something you still need, open the trash label, find the message, and move it back to your inbox or another label within 30 days. If you only want to keep a few items from the list, deselect those before clicking the trash can so they remain archived, and that's all it takes. By searching for in archive, selecting all results, and sending them to the trash, you can clear away old archived emails and keep your account streamlined. Take a moment to review your selection before you click delete, and you'll stay organized without losing anything important. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner Gmail.